In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an important label in Gmail. First, let's get started by opening Gmail. You can do this by navigating to the Gmail website on your browser or by using the Gmail app on your mobile device. Once you are on the page, you will see a familiar interface filled with your emails. This is the main hub where you manage your communications. Having Gmail open is essential because it allows you to directly interact with the emails you want to modify. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't done so already. This will help you feel more comfortable as you follow along. Next, we need to find the email you want to mark as important. Scroll through your inbox to locate the specific email. You can also use the search bar at the top if you have many emails. Just type in the sender's name or the subject line to narrow down your search. Finding the right email is crucial because marking the wrong email might lead to confusion later. Once you spot the email, you're ready for the next step. Now click the importance marker next to the sender's name. This small arrow or marker icon is usually located to the left of the email subject line. When you click this icon, it indicates that you are designating this email as important. It may be slightly different depending on your device, but it should be easy to identify. This step is important because it helps you prioritize your emails effectively. By marking an email as important, you ensure it stands out in your inbox. When you click the importance marker, it should turn yellow. This change in color confirms that the email is now marked as important. You should see the marker shift from a gray color to yellow, indicating that your action has been successful. This visual cue is reassuring because it shows that your email has been prioritized. Remember, marking emails as important can streamline your workflow by allowing you to focus on what matters most. In summary, we've opened Gmail, located the desired email, clicked the importance marker, and turned it yellow. Each of these steps plays a vital role in managing your email effectively. By following these instructions, you can ensure that important emails do not get lost in the shuffle. This simple action can save you time and effort in the long run, allowing you to address urgent matters quickly. Thank you for watching this tutorial on marking important emails in Gmail. Remember, keeping your inbox organized is key to staying productive. Now that you know how to mark important emails, you can apply this technique whenever necessary. You'll find that it makes managing your communications much easier. Happy emailing!